A battery backup system is a great idea for many homeowners. A battery backup system allows a homeowner to store energy on site for use during a utility outage and also allows a solar system to operate if the grid goes down. The utility grid goes down for various reasons. We all saw in Northern California where wildfires caused the utility to shut down everyone's power for days at a time. Hurricanes, wind events, winter storms. As crazy as it sounds, wildlife can also cause the grid to fail, like a squirrel getting into the wrong equipment or a bird touching the wrong power line. Yeah, a battery backup system is a great idea for anyone concerned about being without energy when the grid goes down, especially people who are vulnerable to being without electricity. Folks with medical concerns who might need, let's say, a CPAP or a dialysis machine running. Also folks in rural areas who may be without water or emergency services or food if the power did fail. Battery backup can be included with a new solar installation or added on to an existing system. In fact, battery backup systems work even without a solar system. If you're interested in learning more about battery backup for your home or business, give us a call or go to our website, sunlightsolar.com.